Hi, this is Shani from E-piphany, and today we're unboxing the Marantz Horizon. This speaker is a combination of luxury design and also high audio performance. Let's dive in. Inside the box we have the speaker itself, a stylish carrier case, and also in this box you'll find a power cable and HDMI cable. So with the unboxing done, let's have a close look at the speaker. This carrier case is a thoughtful addition, making it easy to store the speaker when not in use and also to protect it during travel. Marantz offers two options in this lineup, the Marantz Horizon, which is compact and powerful, and the Grand Horizon, which offers deeper bass and a bigger soundstage for a more dynamic experience. And now we can plug this baby in. Let's get the Horizon set up with the HEOS app. It's a super simple process that lets you stream music wirelessly and even set up a multi-room system. Step 1. Open the HEOS app, go to Settings and tap Add Device. Then select Marantz, choose the Horizon model and follow the on-screen instructions. Now press the connect button at the back of the speaker. You'll see a green flashing light. This means it's ready for a setup. Next, continue in the app, enter your Wi-Fi password and choose the room placement of the Horizon speaker. The app will now check for updates to ensure your speaker is running the latest firmware. And that's it. Your Marantz Horizon is ready to go. So while we wait for the update to finish, let's talk about some technical specifications. The Marantz Horizon features a 6.5-inch subwoofer, two 25mm silk dome tweeters, and three 50mm full-range drivers, all powered by a custom-tuned Class D amplifier, delivering 310 watts of power. The Horizon supports high-res audio, so your music has amazing detail. With HEOS Built-in, you can stream directly from services like Spotify, Tidal, and Apple Music. Plus, it offers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, AirPlay 2, and Spotify Connect, ensuring versatile connectivity. The bass is deep but not overpowering, the mids are warm and the highs are crisp and natural. Whether you're playing your favorite playlist or just relaxing with some background music, it delivers an incredible listening experience. So, whether you're streaming it from your phone or integrating it in a multi-room setup, Marantz got you covered. One feature I really appreciate is a touch-sensitive volume dial. Instead of regular buttons, it has this smooth dial on top. If you're looking for a speaker that combines exceptional sound quality with a luxurious design, the Marantz Horizon is an excellent choice. It's sleek, powerful, and integrates seamlessly into your home. And that's it for the unboxing. Thank you for watching, and let us know what you think in the comments below.